how to edit word clock widget on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to date and time on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, click this. And now you can see here the list of widgets. So okay, you can see here the word clock widget. Okay, to edit this, you'll have to do is click the edit widget button below. And now click the word clock widget. And now we can view the time in multiple cities around the world. So okay, you can change this word clock. So for my example, I changed the Vatican City into Zurich, Switzerland. And another, the Sydney, Australia. So you can change this by clicking this and set into Sitka, USA. And after you change the word clock, okay, you'll have to do is click the done button on the upper right side on this widget. And okay, scroll down and click the done button below to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully edit the word clock widget on MacBook Air. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.